Foshan-Schunde SAIER Sensor Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development and manufacturing of magnetic sensors. Since its establishment in 2011, the company has been adhering to the concept of only producing magnetic sensors, focusing on the research and development and manufacturing of magnetic sensors, adhered to the specialization and refinement, market-oriented, customer demand as the power, and continue to develop and manufacture high-quality sensors to meet market demand for customers at home and abroad. SAIER main products are water flow sensor, water flow switch, floating ball level switch, proximity switch, water solenoid valve, small flow generator, and so on. Products are used in water dispenser, water purifier, coffee machine, water heater, water pump, and circulating water system, ice maker, dishwasher, pedestal pan, water dispenser, boiling water machine, water control machine, and water meter, intelligent cup, humidifier, air conditioning fan, steam equipment, door control access control, instrument and equipment, and so on. In 2017, the company has passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certification, has passed the National High-Tech Enterprise in 2018. With Import and Export Authority, some products have passed the United States FDA, NSF, REACH, LFGB, BPA, DGCCRF, RoHS certification. More than 20 technical research and development personnel, good at product customization and program optimization, with more than 40 product patents, and at present, the annual production capacity of the company reaches 10 million sets. The products sell well in nearly 10 countries at home and abroad, and more than 20 well-known brands at home and abroad have a big and in-depth cooperation, always around the magnetic sensor technology innovation and application expansion.